Excited na kinakabahan. Pagdating ko ng San Leandro, meron akong inaantay na sulak.
So we did that.
Good one.
With the kids.
Napaka... Behave naman talaga ako ah.
Dati behave ka ngayon, napaka-dumoble pagka-behave.
Alright, may sound na.
Guys, may audio ba siya?
Meron na.
Hindi nakakain ng audio,
Meron
watch
na.
nyo ko. Maririnig ko siya.
Hello everybody here. Kamusta?
Like 8 months before. Because you might imagine with all the luggage and everything.
Hello, Sir Pangasinan.
Your phone.
The people
Boy, what's
from the
that?
different hotels.
My
waiting
soup.
at the airport.
My soup is here.
That's memorable. That's amazing.
Parang hindi pamper yan ah.
Ha?
Ikaw huling order, ikaw una.
You're the last one who ordered. Because you know your order is full.
Inaway ka, ikaw ang inaway, yun yung
No, you're so special. Because you order a special soup.
I know. Good morning from Angono. Loud and clear, guys. So, ang dami nang yayat dito. Napakaganda ng ambiance dito. Ganda, oh. I feel happy. I feel blessed. I feel alive. I feel inspired.
Guys, sa mga watch niyo siya sa akin kayo makinig.
Pero may audio na ako.
I am so stupid and I was laughing to myself.
May audio na daw siya.
Guys, gusto kong kumain kaso yung mga ibang tao wala pa yung pagkain nila. So,
How many watchers ka na?
antayin ko na lang kasi nakakaya. Watching from Florida, Mitch. Hello, Mitch. I might be there in September. Okay? Baka nasa Florida ako ng September. So,
Busy siya.
kita-kits po tayo.
Nandun siya sa ano. Naka-live siya, bakit hindi ka manood? Doon ka magpa-shout out.
When will I come back to the Philippines?
Naka-live
Right
siya,
now,
oh.
it's August 5. But
Punta ka doon sa live niya.
kung matuloy yung isang show, I'll be back home mga August 10, mga August 11, ganun.
It's not like if we have the money.
They do the live.
From Alberta, Canada.
We never know you. Because
Thank you.
Ito rin sa akin din nagsasabi pa shout out daw. Sabi ko naka-live siya. Wala
Hello,
naman.
shout out sa inyo.
Hindi naman isa-isa.
I see people in the couples in the wheelchair. And I said, "Hey, it's nice that
Lino ng mata mo ah.
Hindi, wala kasi yun dito. Magsiselos kasi yun. Kapag gumawa ako, umalis siya doon. Pero nakatingin pa rin pala sa akin. Sinasilip ako.
So I told him, he listened to me. So it was really
Hindi na ganun yung book.
my best.
Yung ba yung LD na?
Ito yun. Ginagay nila.
Ganda nga.
I love it. Ina-arbor nga.
Happy din naman ako.
Pinakita ko kay Chiki kagabi. Sabi ko, look, binigay nila sa akin. Sabi niya, ang ganda. Akin na lang yan. Kinuha
Balik pa ma-arbor.
Parang doon ka hindi makakatanggi.
Hindi ako makakatabi sa kanya eh. Pag sinuot niya, wala na.
And our kids love long.
Mr. Biba, shout out from Naik. Shout out to Naik. Watching from Zamboanga City. Hello, Zamboanga City. Kamusta po kayo dyan lahat?
Nanonood daw si Abby. Pakisabi naman kay Mr. B. Shout out ako, Abby.
Ayun, narinig mo, Abby. Sinoutout ka na ni Mojak. Yun na yun.
Shout out to Abby.
Ako shoutout ko. Shoutout to Abby.
Oh, yeah, si Quenji. Ayan, si Quenji. Nakakaloka ka. Ginawa mo pa akong tulay.
Guys, ito
Birthday ba niya?
ito si Uncle Joe, guys.
Death anniversary.
That's Uncle
Ng
Joe.
paa niya.
That's Attorney
Namatay
Lisa,
kasi po
guys.
nung nakaraang linggo.
Siya yung attorney ko dito sa States. I'll show you.
Grabe, ang dami po.
Guys, this is Uncle Joe right here. Uncle Joe.
Yes.
What's up? Where? Katie's
Katie's there?
She's barely waking up and I think they're gonna go to school.
She watching?
And that's attorney. Attorney Lisa.
That's the Alma.
Miss Alma.
How are you?
And we got our producers
I
from
think
last
Casey
night
is
over
already
there.
away.
Busy sila yung mga producers doon.
Yeah.
And of course, our big boss. Big
beautiful
boss
Sir
Mark.
Mark.
Yes.
Big boss Mark.
What a beautiful,
Yes.
great show from Chris.
Hey.
Oh, I'm the personal assistant. I'm the personal assistant.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun last night. Any Vegas shows? Walang Vegas ngayon kasi I think kakagaling ko lang ng Vegas. So, pahinga muna po ang Vegas. So, I'll be in San Leandro. After San Leandro, Lloydminster, then Lloydminster, Fresno, then after Fresno, I'll be in Sacramento. After Sacramento, I'll be in Victoria, BC. After Victoria, BC, maybe Maryland. So, kita-kits po tayo dyan.
Big.
July 10, Fresno.
The maxed out 70.
11 is Sacramento. Sacramento.
Yeah, that's what I hate. Actually, I love the Venice, but I said, okay, I have to think wiser with my luggage next time.
And then when we left there, it was like
Chicago. You know, I'm waiting for Chicago. I honestly haven't been back to Chicago since like
Airport right there too.
2010, I think. Parang 2010 pa yung last Chicago ko. So, gusto ko.
Rome.
We've got that in cruise.
Pag wala akong address,
Gusto ko bumalik ng Chi-Town.
We took that, and that's the time we were there.
Wow! Catrins Hong Kong chapter. Hello, Julie. Jessa Piñon. See you in Winnipeg. That's right.
kasi wala akong
That's right. May Winnipeg pa, guys. July 25.
wala
Is it July?
sa
July ba? Winnipeg? Oh yeah. July 25. I'll see you in Winnipeg.
yung may promo, may dental, may video.
Love ba ang tawag ko kay Miss May? Parang hindi, guys.
Kapag pa,
Ang tawag ko kay Miss B is Chick. Chick or Cheeky. From Saudi Arabia. In Shuttle. I might be in Shuttle, guys. In Washington, September. Antayin nyo na lang yung ano. Magpo-post ako. May nag-inquire sa akin 4 shows. So, pag uwi ko ng August, mga 10, I'll be home for like a month. And then aalis ulit ako ng September. Papunta ng States.
gusto nyo magtrabaho sa kanila, kung ayaw nyo magtrabaho, dahil wala sila ng
Kain po. Time to eat your breakfast, guys.
dapat yung asosasyon niya.
Alam mo kung saan ako excited? Excited na kinakabahan. Pagdating ko ng San Leandro, meron akong inaantay na sulak.
Ay, hindi ko lang alam kung nasa 30.
So,
Yeah, still.
check natin yung sulak. Ano, basahin ko ba sa inyo pag nakuha ko or i-private ko na lang? Ano bang gusto nyo? Eh kasi yung letter ko dapat, di ba? Sa kanya dapat yun, pero napakagaling nyo. Napakagaling nyo. Alam ko aksidente yun, pero magaling lang talaga kayo.
Hindi actually.
Shout out to Hong Kong Catrins chapter. All right.
I see you. Gusto ko ng gano'n.
Catrins Global. Hello. 4K Team Paiyak. Ano ba yan? Oh my God.
Is that AI?
So, kahapon, nag-post si Miss B. Okay? Nag-post si Miss B na green screen, pabonggahan daw.
Kukuha lang sila.
Please explain this, ha? Explain nyo to sa akin. Paki-explain. Sino ba ang gumawa niyan? Mga hayop kayo. Walang hiya.
I don't know how.
Mga walang hiya kayo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ano ba yan?
Just listen.
I remember my mom saying that.
4.3 na yun. Sexy mo dito ah.
Fairness, ang sexy ko dyan. Sino ba gumawa niya? Basher's Yarn? No?
Si Simon.
Sana napasmile kayo.
Nanay ko, stable na. Ibig sabihin, may pag-alab ko. Tapos natin dependent ko siya.
So he has one person.
Kasi sabi niyo for you like, so ibig sabihin, accept na siya sa accept na siya doon. Mayroon pa siyang survival benefit. From my dad.
Why do you rent an apartment rather than
Uy, stars.
She almost here.
She's on the way out. She's gonna go at the door. She's scared to travel. She's traveling by herself.
Late ka na sa work, Madel?
But she's been here. Has she made it here? Yeah,
Gising na ba si Miss B, guys?
But she don't have cash to pay. So she told me, I don't have cash. I can the driver. Yeah, so I said I left money for her. So I'll check. So excuse me, just go ahead. Yeah.
She thinks ahead of her. She's like,
Cute ko ba dun? Ano ba yan?
Asan na si ano? Parang
Gusto niyo makita ako naka-two-piece?
Yeah.
Kuya Boy,
Ha?
happy birthday.
Gusto niyo ba ako makakita na naka-two-piece?
Oh,
Sabi ko may bodyguard ka rin. May bodyguard ka, bawal.
Yan, happy birthday, Rit!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you!
Parang kami ng birthday.
Sino may birthday?
Happy birthday.
Ah, doon pala. To you! Ayun, may birthday dun.
Buti na may kasama tayo singit.
again?
Isa pa. Sino pa may
Ano pa
birthday?
tayo may birthday?
Sino pa may birthday?
it's a
Ano ba ngayon? June?
22nd.
Ay, malayo pa birthday natin.
Sila pala ang may appetizer.
Sino?
Kayo.
Ito, ubusan.
So ibilisan mo daw kumain.
akala namin yun na yung food.
May oras lang daw yung Mr. B.
Ako lang palang hinahantay.
Hindi ko lang may appetizer kami wala. Pero entry sa amin. What's up, Erin?
How's the day today?
Good. Yeah.
That's why you're TikTok.
Yeah, you see? Oh. Did you follow me, Erin?
Oh, yeah.
Did you follow me?
Good morning, everybody sa Pinas. Dito sa Aruba, it's 7:53 p.m. Diyan sa Pinas, it's 7:53 a.m. So 12 hours yung difference natin.
This girl
Okay, kuya,
I was getting as a daughter of
tapos na po ako.
New York.
Nakakaya.
She's from Maryland.
Ako lang pala inaantay para i-serve yung mga food nila.
I'm done, yeah.
Yung mga girls natin dito, sobrang gutom na gutom, inaantay lang ako. Pasensya na girls, hindi ko alam. Ito si Queen B ng Fam Squad. Queen G. Queen G.
Beyonce.
Beyonce pala yan. Queen G ng Fam Squad.
Bodyguard.
Bouncer! At ang mga bouncer!
Ang dami mga bodyguard dito guys. Pag may mga nagpapapicture na babae, lahat sila ano yun? Bumabakot. Lahat sila bumabakot. Oh, bawal.
Bawal lumawa. Lalong bawal yung mga bouncer. Yan, mga bouncer.
Hello. Ang saya dito.
Laging busog.
I know, right?
Laging busog.
Daming pagkain, pare.
Number one pick was Oregon. Beautiful campus. Then she just realized like
Mr. D. Otto, ano yan?
That's good.
It's a nice
Otto
campus, though. It's all
Komay.
Paid for by Nike.
Otto Komay Desu.
Everything modern.
Silent viewers from Kuwait.
Stadiums are really nice because it's sports.
Mahangin talaga, guys. Actually, parang sinisipon ako.
Just such a relief when she graduated.
it's so extreme hangin. Then
Just freaking out the
Yung
whole
mojo
time,
nakatas
I'm gonna pass the board exam.
Oo, hindi tinitingnan ko siya.
Well, I don't like my boss on this instance. There's just always,
Sana sa birthday mo kasama mo Miss B and KP.
she's done. She's done.
Gagawa tayo ng celebration.
I say you gotta look at the semester. Don't look at the midnight
Yeah,
semester out of it.
Same time ka dito sa Winnipeg na this time hindi ako napupuyat. Ano yun? Naka-bikini? Pare, pinapabikini mo po ako. Ba yan, Crisel? Watching you live while traffic here in Ortigas. Yeah, Ortigas is a very, very traffic place in the morning. Are you coming to San Diego? Not this time, Yuki. Not this time. Maybe next time. Hopefully kasama ko si ang KKK. You guys want KKK? Do you guys want the KKK fam to come to the States? Or kung saan pa kayo? Pero kasi alam nyo, yung KKK sa States, parang bawal sabihin yun. It's like,
Jack, you have work on Thursday?
alam mo yung mga puti? Puti na yung sombrero na. So KKK in the States is actually like the Ku Klux Klan, and it's like a white supremacy group. So when you say KKK in the States, medyo may negative connotation. But I'm happy that hopefully we give a different meaning to KKK, a more positive meaning, right? Yung mga states dyan, alam nila yan. Diba guys? Yung mga taga-states dyan, alam nyo yung KKK dyan sa states. Hindi basta-basta pwede mong sabihin yung KKK sa states. Baka mabugbog.
Isoto kaya yung sa Arizona.
Diba? Jim Kanzaki in the house. What's up? Konnichiwa, Jim. Tropa ko yan sa Japan. Sobrang bait yan, guys. Bring Miss B and Katie in the States. That's the plan soon. That's part of the plan, guys. But in time. But I believe on 100% it's gonna happen. I do. I have faith. Eh di ano po, diretso name nyo, dalang po names nyo, Chris Cat Katie. Yeah, we're trying to think of some 3K, K3. Oh, may birthday na naman. Tara guys, celebrate tayo. Are you guys ready? Although, you know, may birthday pa dyan. Excited to, oh, look naman. Yung kamay niya, oh, ready naman. Ay, no.
Happy birthday to you.
Inunahan nyo pa. Wala pa. Anniversary yun.
Happy birthday! He's like, it's not my birthday. It's my anniversary. It's anniversary, not
Guys,
my
hindi birthday, anniversary yun. Yan yung ginagawa na walang pagkain, guys.
Ang tagal kasi.
You guys killed it.
Kakinurek, anniversary yun.
Yeah, kasi may luces. May fireworks there. May quitties.
Need the rose petals over there.
Annyeonghaseyo po. God is good. God is always
San
good.
Juan ka, ate?
God is good all the time.
Fiesta.
And all the time.
Naku, pupunta ako dito, bubuhusan kita ng tubig.
Good morning, Miss B. Napanood mo, Miss B. Shoutout naman.
Yeah.
Good morning, Miss B. Magandang umaga sa iyo po. Sa inyo ni Katie.
Philippines, it's 8 in the morning.
I think Katie's getting ready for
San
school.
Juan, yung papunta ka doon sa Kalento.
Exact opposite. Yeah.
Walang Kalento. Davao City, San Juan.
Yes, wow, mali.
Oh,
Anniversary pala. Lahat sila nakatingin sa amin.
Oh, pero Davao yun. Oh, ang usapan dito, Davao. Hindi naman diving.
Hi, Sil from Hong Kong. Edsel, shout out sa iyo.
Nakakita sila ng kalahi nila na.
Feeling ko nasa Italy kami. Triple K na lang instead of KKK kapag sa US. Parang ganun, di ba? Triple K. Triple K, triple... Actually, that's a nice one, no? Triple K, triple... Parang ganun, triple K. That's a good suggestion.
I told her I'm here.
Sino yun?
Kasi alam nyo naman yun, di ba?
Mas maganda naman yan.
Ah, may damit ako dyan, at least.
Tsaka ala din ang dating mo dyan, no? Yung nga lang na, yan, no?
Saan yan? Ano yan?
Pero ikaw ba talaga yan?
Oh. Nasa GMA kami niyan. Nung
Sumali
AOS.
ka sa ano?
May green screen kasi dyan, so... Ang galing!
Cute!
Like my boss is
Ay, ang sweet! Ayun yung green niya.
That's why she's not responding to good morning.
Cheers! Ito yung favorite drink ko. My favorite cocktail is vodka cranberry. Yes!
doesn't hurt to
Pipicturean mo
Sige
daw
po.
sila. Sige, may camera nila.
Ako bang pipicture sa kanila? Picturean ko sila?
Pipicturean mo siya.
Okay na yung camera mo.
Akin na daw ang camera mo. Pipicturean ka daw niya.
Oh yeah. I call her.
Wait lang guys ha.
It's happened already like 2-3 times.
Kilala mo to? Kilala. Panoorin mo lang. Pero YouTube yung ikaw pa lang, ha?
Hindi, ayan, sige, para...
When we're busy, we're busy.
How long
But then
how
we're
long
slow.
will it take you to
Thank you.
Follower. Follower din sa akin.
And she's like, I'm on it. And then she'll like double time it.
Hindi nakapalo sa akin.
She'll be like, oh, do you need for next week?
Follow mo ako para ma-update ka.
Hanap ako ng magandang ano,
Yeah, okay. That's Shanna.
magandang filter. Sige,
Yeah, that's her. She's the daughter of
Ang daming wedding pics.
So she lived in Maryland.
Marami ba?
Maryland. They're from Maryland. I think she's living in Arizona now. I don't know because she was going.
Hello ate.
Ate, asa man ang ano mo?
Asa man?
Eh, bakit nga yung mukha ko? Napipicturean ko.
Ate Alma. Ako maniningil, ah.
Oh my gosh.
$5 yan.
Against the light.
Against the light niya.
O gusto mo takpan ko?
Ako na.
Dito.
Dito.
Okay, okay. Okay na.
Oh, what's that? That's a Facebook Live. Snapchat.
Snapchat, yeah.
Oh, Snapchat.
Ay, nasa Snapchat si ate.
Oh, she's hiding it from her
Ay,
husband. That's
naku,
why
$20 na yan pag inuli. $20 na pag inuli. Okay ba? Ano ko na lang? Original ko na lang.
Wait lang guys ha.
Original na lang.
Okay na, te.
Okay na?
Kasi her family is yung line.
Yan.
how'd you guess?
Yeah, how do you
Hindi, na-download mo.
Ano ba yung phone mo, ate? iPhone na?
Hindi kasi gusto niya kasi naka-filter agad siya.
I'm sweating.
Ayun, wala na daw sa sarili.
Okay na.
Yan ay pagkain niya.
Okay na, nandito na pagkain.
Alright, yung pagkain nandyan na. Thank you ate. Okay na po yan? Guy, you got it?
Yes, guys.
Mag-selfie si ate.
I said they have a lot of followers in the Facebook. I have followers from Arizona.
Thank you.
Physical followers.
So here's my food, guys.
Follow her.
Guys,
Chris did his Facebook Live
Wala tayong
when he actually posted it. He had
Eto.
over 2,000 likes in less than 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Ayan na, picture na.
Chris, yeah.
Kailan?
The one that you posted earlier.
Oh,
It
yeah.
popped up on her.
Yeah.
And she followed.
Ano, tapos na ba?
Yes, okay na. Thank you.
Yeah, the KKK fam. Malupit kayo. They're
Parang may
They're amazing,
ilaw,
man. They are amazing.
Hindi na ba? Di ba kung
May pailaw tayo, guys. Ala, yung kulay ng buhok ko nawawala.
kulay na buhok?
Shout out sa Mindanao.
I love you, babe.
Sorry, I think we're streaming right.
Stay.
Hindi pa kanya sa'yo.
No, hindi ako nag-stay.
Ito nga pala, hindi ka na kumakain ng PF.
Ay,
Ano,
ano,
order mo ng hindi.
I ordered veggies today. Kasi marami na akong cheat sa lamb. I don't eat lechon. Uy, 400 stars. Yeah, nandiyan na yung food ko, guys. Look at this. May kapailaw si Queen B. I mean, si Queen G.
Ika na lang, ha?
You know?
Ika na lang, buso.
Ayan, thank you, Queen G. May pailaw si Queen G, oh.
I'm ready in the, like, I'm in the house, like the whole house, not when you are here. Like, I'm not renting this to stranger. Because I put her name this work and I go, so I just put her name one of the doors.
Okay, guys. Kakain muna ako, ha? I love you guys. I love you. I hope you guys have a great day. Be your best.
Seafood pasta.
Be the best version of yourselves. Ay, 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 kasi. Be the best versions of yourselves, guys. Make good decisions because good karma will come to you. Bye, guys. Peace and love. Love KL. I love you.